Welcome to Infinite Campus Parent Portal tutorial video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the documents. To access the documents, you want to go to the main menu in the top left corner and click on Documents. You'll be able to cycle through each of your children in the district in the top right-hand corner. We're going to be taking a look here at the high school documents page. The purpose for this is for parents and guardians to access report cards or their child's schedule in PDF format. So if they needed to save it or print it off, this is a spot that you can go to. To get the report card for high school, you would click here and it will open up a PDF form where you can print it off. You can also access your child's student schedule by clicking here, and then you're able to print it off as a PDF. If I go to the elementary page for documents, it's a little bit different. It'll have a elementary grades 1 through 5 report card, and if your child attended Unit 5 in kindergarten, they'd be able to take a look at that report card as well too. You click on those and you will get PDF files as well.